All right, this is my review of the Black+Decker 20V Max Handheld Vacuum with the pivot. There's the pivot. Straight up, this is the best handheld vacuum I have ever used. And so here's the stand that it goes on. First of all, my name's Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. Here's the cradle. This is how you charge it. So you just plug this into the wall and then it sits in there like that and it just charges right up. That's the cool thing about it. It's completely cordless. So you can use this in the car. You can use this in like hard to reach places like the couch, just any areas you can think of. In fact, you'll just keep coming up with more areas once you get this because it's so easy to use. And you've got this pivot thing that allows you to get even more weird areas. There it is. It's super powerful and it really sucks stuff up very well. And it holds the charge really long. I highly recommend this product. This straight up, I've tried a bunch of different cordless handheld vacuums over the years. This is my absolute favorite and it works on my car the best. Any ones I've ever had before, they just kind of like leave stuff there. This thing sucks everything up. I highly recommend it. This is a game changer for your house and your car.